Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Here we'll be creating a React application. This application will feature a notification system where user can sign in or register, log out, and check his information. We'll be using Firebase to accomplish this task. We'll be using also Firebase UI, so I will show you how quick this can be done with Firebase UI. So let's get started. First, I will create a new React project by using create React app, npx create React app dot for creating it in the current folder. It will take a couple of minutes. All right, it's done. So to test that everything works fine, let's run yarn start. And here it is. All right. Now, since we will be using Firebase to authenticate, let's install Firebase. Yeah, add Firebase. Now, while it is working, let's create a Firebase application. I will go to my Firebase account or Firebase console. Right. I already have a couple of projects created. So I will create a new project. I will name this project let's start with a name for your project. All right. Enter your project name. It will be tutorials. All right. Continue. Enable Google Analytics. All right. Continue. Configure Google Analytics. Learning Firebase. It doesn't matter for now. This is just for testing. Here we have the Firebase module installed. Now I will create a file called setup firebase.js. In this file, I will initialize the Firebase application. First, I will import Firebase. I will import all the library inside a variable named Firebase. Next, I will import Firebase/us. Here you can import all the features that your application need, like analytics and Firestore. Now, for this example, all I need is the us. To initialize Firebase, I need to create the configuration object. To get the configuration needed for this for our Firebase app, we need to create an app. Here we already created a project. Inside this project, we will get started by adding Firebase to your app. It will be, of course, for web. So I will register here an application. I will give it a nickname, React Firebase OS. All right. I will set up also the hosting for this application. Here are some instructions on how to add Firebase SDK to my application. We already did this. Here they are including also the analytics. Of course, we can include the analytics the same way we included the OS analytics. Next, we will need to install the Firebase tools to be able to deploy our application. I already have this installed. The -G for global, so it will be installed on your computer, not related to application, to a single application. If we click next now, there are some instructions on how to deploy. First, we need to log into Firebase by typing Firebase login. I'm already logged in. Then Firebase init, which will initialize my Firebase to be able to connect to the hosting. Are you ready to proceed? Yes. We will choose hosting here. Create a new project. Please specify a unique project ID. Warning cannot be modified afterward. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake here. Oh, Firebase.init. We already have a project. It's my mistake. Hosting, of course. Use an existing project. We named our project tutorials. So we'll use this one. What do you want to use as your public directory? It will be build, I guess. It will be build for create React app. I guess it will be build. We will check it in a second. Configure a single page app. Yes. All right. So if we did yarn build, okay, it's already here. Let's do it. Yarn build. This is our Firebase.json that has been generated by the initialization. We have, this is weird. All right, it's build. Now it's correct, build. And he's not trying to ignore, right? Now I need to get my configuration object to, so I could use it here. Here it is. All right, let's copy all of this. Here I have it. Now I could initialize Firebase. by typing firebase dot initialize app and giving it as parameter firebase config. Here, once we run this file, we have the Firebase initialized with all the needed information. So enabled to run this file, I will go to index.js and import it here. Import / firebase set up Firebase, and it's done. We have it. We have set up here our Firebase. So if we run the server, and open our console to see if there's any error, everything should be working fine. Here is our, look like you're using all right, perfect. So now let's deploy Firebase deploy. It is deployed. Let me see the website. If, come on, open. All right, here it is. This is our website. This is how to set up Firebase correctly with our React app and deploy it to Firebase hosting. So in next video, we will set up our authentication system where the user can log in and or register. He can log out and he can check his information. It will be a small app just to introduce you to the authentication system. And one more thing I forgot, it will have also email verification. So see you in the next video. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel for more of this stuff. Thank you very much.